Hi traders, Anthony here. In this video I'm going to give you an overview, an introduction to our TWA trading system. This system comprises of two indicators that are jam-packed with a fairly significant amount of information. The trend channel is a combination of a range of different indicators merged into one, all based on different variations of average true range. First up, what I'll do is I'll hide the trend bars, and now you can see we have a standard bar chart with the trend channel. So let's just have a quick look at the trend bars. So I'll go over to another chart. So this is what the trend bars look like on their own. Okay, essentially what this does is gives us an indication of when the market might be ranging, hence these white colored bars, and it tells us when the market breaks out of a range. So down here we have a bullish range breakout. Now the bars turn green, and generally we'll stay in the trade until we see a white or a red bar. We broke out of this range, it's a bearish range breakout. We stay in until we see a white or a green bar. Over here, for example, the market's still figuring itself out. It's coming back down into now this range here. So we can wait until we get a clean break out of the range. For example, perhaps a break, a retest and fail, and then we know we can enter the market here. So this is where the trend channel indicator comes in handy. Now let's go back over here. Enable the trend bars. Okay, so we can see the market ranging through here, and we get a range break to the downside at this point, and we're alerted with a down arrow here coming from the trend channel. So this works with the trend bars. This is generally quite a good signal, and we're looking for, after the breakout, we're looking for a retest of the range low and then entry short once we see the setup forming. Now I have quite a few tutorials on the strategy, so I won't go into that so much. This is more of an introduction to the system. And the other thing we have with the trend channel are these buy and sell signals, these circles. These tell us when the market is overextended, and we generally have an opportunity then to counter trend trade, as you can see here. The triangles generally give us an opportunity to trade with the trend. So we have two different strategies running. Now again, this is just a quick introduction. I have quite a few video tutorials on the system. Check out the other videos in my YouTube channel. Now to gain access to the indicators, the links are below. And also, if you would like to contact me, you can email me at tradingwithanthony57@gmail.com. With that, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you.